Welcome to your meditative intro to sounds of baby. Here, you'll be introduced to all of those new, strange noises that baby will bring into your home. Parents, we'll start by creating a relaxing environment for your pup. Lay pup gently down on a blanket or bed. Dim the lights. Take a deep breath in. Now a deep breath out. Extra points if you give pup a little belly rub. Be sure to have your pup's favorite TREATS to ensure positive associations are created as they meet all of the new sounds of baby. Parents, it's time to begin. We'll introduce these sounds gradually, beginning with some gentler baby noises. Are you ready, pup? Great. Pup, you're so good at this. Let's move on to the next sound. Time for a TREAT, parents. Yes, who's the best dog in the world? Great. You're doing amazing, pupper. Yes, that's right. You're a very good dog. Great. Good dog. Yes. Well done, pup. Great. Congrats, pup. You made it through your Sounds of Baby meditation. And parents, great work getting pup relaxed. You both deserve a big treat. Come back to this meditation and play for pup until they're familiar with baby sounds. Follow Huggies to find even more tips on how to help introduce fur baby to baby. Huggies. We got you, baby.